everyone, it's Izzy here, and today I got my first ever book of a month subscription box. I actually got it last night. It came in on a Sunday, which is awesome. I feel bad for making the mail people work though, but it's their job. They're getting paid to do it. So it comes in this beautiful blue box. I already took off my address, so don't be looking for it. And I am so excited to get into this. And I'm gonna get into it and show y'all the books I've picked out and explain how the website works and all that. So this will be my first time opening the box. I did cut that just so I wouldn't be struggling in the video though, but it says flip over, open box, read happy. So I saw this in another YouTuber's, Booktuber's video, and I can't think of who it was. But basically they give you like 5 books to choose from. There is like a contemporary, a thriller, a historical, then a historical fiction, and then I don't remember what the other one was. But we will see what I chose. Oh my gosh. Read, love, repeat. So I didn't know they came in plastic. So you come like with 2 books like this. And the first one we have here is one that was one of the choices for the book of the month. So you do get 1 book a month, and then you can choose add-ons, which there was a code, so I got it for free, my add-on, but you get a bookmark with a quote, and this is by Paulo Coelho. I don't know how to say that, but the book is a film that takes place in the mind of the reader. That's why we go to the movies and say, oh, the book is better. So there is the quote. So it's always nice to get bookmarks. So the book that I got for the book of the month is The Clockmaker's Daughter by Kate Morton. And so a thing with this, the books are always the same height, which that's not really a thing that I really care about, but I do know a lot of people do care about that. So their bookshelves are like the same size. So it comes with October 2018 on the bottom of the book, and then you can see up there that it has the same thing. So this was only like $10 for all of this for 2 hardback books, and in stores in the US it is $28, and I got it for $10. So this book is set in, I think, England, yeah, the upper Thames, in London in 1862. There's all these young artists. They stay at this manor for the summer, and so, but at the time their stay is over, one woman has been shot dead while another has disappeared. A priceless heirloom is missing. So the guys who their leader is, like, his life is ruined, like it's all messed up, obviously, because yeah. So then it goes to 150 years later. I don't know what year that would be. Maybe like 2000, I don't know. So a archivist in London uncovers a satchel containing 2 seemingly unrelated items: a sepia photograph of a beautiful woman in Victorian clothing, and an artist's sketchbook containing the drawing of a twin-gabled house on the river. So, but when this archivist goes to the house, it feels really familiar to her, and yeah, so she's going on this hunt to find out who that woman is in the picture and all of that. So I thought this book sounded very interesting. The cover, I don't know what that feeling is, but if you have been watching my reading vlogs, you know one of the books I wanted to buy this month was The Great Alone by Kristen Hanna, but they didn't have it at my Barnes & Noble, even though their website said they had it. My cat is in the subscription box, but they didn't have it, and I saw this was one of the add-ons that I could get for, I don't know which one it says I got for free, because for this it said like 1 credit, and then this had the $10 next to it. I'm seeing if it has anything. No, it doesn't say, so I don't know how that really works. But for one of the add-ons I could get this book, and I only got it for like $10, and in store it is $28.99 in the US. So again, it has this was a February 2018 book of the month, but I obviously didn't have my book of the month subscription then. I'm gonna keep the subscription for like 6 months because that's what I do for subscriptions. I keep them for a certain amount of time, usually 3 to 6 months, and then I go and get another one and cancel this one. But yeah, this is set in Alaska in 1974, and it's after, I guess, or during, I don't know, I don't know when the Vietnam War ended. I think it's after. So I don't know if that's the dad or stepdad. Okay, I think it's the dad. I may be wrong. So he comes from Vietnam, and he's like changed completely as a person because war changes people. And so they moved the family to Alaska, where they live on the, as it says, live off the grid in America's last true frontier. So yeah, I don't really remember everything this is about, but yeah, so at first Alaska seems like the answers to their prayers, but Alaska is a crazy place, and I guess things don't go as planned. But these are the 2 books that I got for my book of the month subscription my first month. I'm so excited about these books. Like, I think this is such a great subscription, and they do have a lot of historical books, and that is what I am really into, is historical fiction. It's my favorite genre, if y'all did not know. And yeah, so if you have read either of these books, tell me down below in the comments, or if you are subscribed to Book of the Month, tell me down below. And as always, comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye guys!